Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video tutorial for you today that will show you how to create a digital planner insert in Canva. Just before I show you how to do that, I'd just like to point your attention at a link in the description for this video, which will take you to a free trial version of Canva. So if you want to try this out, just click the link and that'll take you straight to Canva and you can try it out then for free via that link in the description. So in Canva, it's very easy to create like a digital planner or a planner insert or anything like that. And without even searching for it, to be honest, when you come to the home page, you see that you've got this top bar here with all of these kind of recommended presets that you can have a look at. Canva is obviously based around a preset-based system, so you'd obviously, if you're going to make a planner or a planner insert, then you'd obviously look for the planner presets to sort of at least use as a foundation or a starting point. So here you can see that that's there, and if you want to just create the planner, that's fine. You can just single click that where it says create a blank one, and that will give you literally a blank page in the typical size that a planner would be, and still give you access then to the templates that are available, and then you can click them and load them in and, you know, kind of browse them and you know, just look at how they're constructed and how they're put together and how they're laid out depending on what you need. And then another way to go about it is if you hit that little magnifying symbol over the planner, and that will allow you then to browse the different templates in a little bit larger so you can see them a little bit better. And obviously you can modify every single aspect of these once you've picked them. So say for example that you want to use that as a planner insert, you know, that's a daily insert for maybe a monthly digital calendar that you've got going on or whatever you need. You click on it, click on customize this template right there, and then literally every object in here is now editable. You can double click the text and replace it. You can drag these boxes around. You can move the little pictures and replace them and add things in. And obviously there's other tutorials on the channel which will show you exactly how to do that. And in terms of specific things. But that's basically it, you know. So use the presets, browse them to find something that's closest to what you need, and then evolve it and modify it and turn it into what you want. Once you're happy with the result, then once you've got a planner, and obviously, you know, if you don't even need that much complexity and you just like the art style, you can just kind of, you know, delete things and get rid of them like that and make it really simple. We just get rid of that text for a second. So obviously I was just using the delete key on the keyboard then. I was single clicking these objects and hitting the backspace key on the keyboard to get rid of them. And if I go there and then just put these back in place, you know, if you just wanted something, you know, that simple, for example, just like that, get that out of the way a little bit. And then obviously you can select multiple objects like that. And then once you're happy with the end product, the end result, you can then click the little share button in the top right and then download that as an image and use it, link it, or upload it to anywhere else that you may need to use it or utilize it. Okay, and that concludes the video tutorial. So like I said, if you want to do this now and start making your own little planner, and you can just use one of the one of the presets and print them out, hit that link in the description below. And if you like the video, give us a like, and if you want to see more content of this nature, subscribe to the channel. And if you've got then any suggestions for future videos or any questions or anything like that, leave that as a comment down below. Thank you very much.